Finally, the most popular chocolates from Dubai. Nag-try lang kami ng isa. Okay? Let's see kung masarap o hindi. Okay! Sige nga, baby. Open it. Come here. Para yan natin. Sige. Dito. Tingnan natin. Sige daw kung totoo ba yung sabi niya ng mga artista na sobrang sarap daw na yun. Oo. Mahal-mahal eh.
Struggling to get.
Actually, mahal siguro siya sa labas kasi kung 10, ano siya, yan.
You have to break it in half.
Yeah. I don't know. Basta ano lang, try lang. Okay, sige. First, ikaw baby, try it first. Kasi sabi na, Okay. Sige daw na yun. Now, how was it? So good? Let me see. Ako daw. Sa akin, okay lang. Marami kasi tayong chocolate dito. OA naman yung... Is it...
Parehas lang ng chocolate bar sa Philippines.
Ha? OA masyado yung reaction nila.
But it's good.
It's good, but OA masyado yung reaction sa TV. Anyway, that's it. Bye-bye.